All the teams and contractors should be finalized before you start your construction or renovation of your house. Architect and interior designer should be finalized before execution of your work. Second, civil contractor should be finalized by taking references. Third team should be POP fall ceiling contractor team. Fourth team should be the electrician team and it should be the experienced one. The next team you should finalize will be the plumbing team. Plumbing is the backbone structure of any house. So the next team you should have is the carpenter team. Take lots of references and visits their houses which they have already done it. Last thing which you need is the painters team. You can have the individual contractors and you can connect with the brands as well. For example, Asian Paints. They're also giving excellent services in home paintings, and hire these team and you will keep the renovation process very smooth and you will enjoy the process instead of getting frustrations and time delays. Keep watching our channel for more tips regarding constructions and renovations. Thank you.